Hello, in this video we will see how we can use the default Bootstrap class that will leads to a box to make a perfect round circle. So because sometimes we need to have a box in a circle shape, but we don't want to write its CSS itself. So in this particular case what we can do is that we can have a default CSS class that we can use. Just let me show you an example. Suppose this is the particular div that we want to have the circle on. Okay, so I just take this particular example. And basically first of all I remove the default border radius class for the custom class. Okay, as you can see this is now the perfect square shape. Okay, to make it perfectly round, what we need to do, we just need to have a custom bootstrap class that is rounded minus circle. For this particular class, for this particular box, if we use this particular class, let's see what's the difference. I hit the enter. As you can see, this particular box is take a round shape. So for the each and every circle div that we want to have a div have a circle on, we can simply use rounded circle class to make it perfectly round. So this is the basic point that we need to cover in this video. So that's all. So if you are having any question, just let me know in the comment. I will be happy to help you out. And one more thing, to verify if this is the bootstrap class or not, we can simply check this particular class. Like here, this is rounded circle and it's come from a SAS file, basically the bootstrap file. So this is how it works. So just let me know in the comment if you are having any question. Thank you.